Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have got another unboxing, but it's going to be different. This is an unboxing from the company Sapola. So maybe we can start off with the smallest package. Over here, this is actually an eye mask, and this eye mask is 100% natural with no added chemicals. In fact, there is an expiry date at the bottom which says 2023, 22nd of February. So I guess this eye mask, this is the first time I've seen an eye mask that has expiry date. And I'm going to try this out because I believe there is some smell or scent in it. We're supposed to place this back into a microwave for about 20 seconds, and then we remove it and put onto our eyes. The reason why we use this is because it's supposed to help you relax your eye muscle. Anyway, if you find that it's too hot, you can just remove it or wait for it to cool down before you place it on your eyes again. So this is the first item, and you can hear there's something inside. It feels like small little grains. Feels like grinded coffee beans, but I think it's not grinded coffee beans. The second item we have here is actually 4 different types of spray. The first spray is actually a room scent, which is of lemongrass. The second one is actually orange scent, and the third room spray is eucalyptus. Not sure how you pronounce that. And the fourth one is, okay, let's unbox this. So how many of you actually use room scent in your room? Do let me know, because I like to find out how many pumps I have to spray for a place as large as a room as large as 80 to 100 square feet. Here we have it: lemongrass, orange, eucalyptus, how do you pronounce this? And also lastly, peppermint. So the spray bottle comes like this, about 65 milliliter or 2.2 ounce. So let's try maybe we try peppermint. Oh, it's a very strong scent, and I think with this, maybe for a bedroom, I will just spray 4 pumps. I'll try it later, and I'll probably use this for the living room. Orange, I'll have to wait for the next round, and lemongrass maybe in the living room as well. So these are it, and let's move on to the larger box. And it's a really nice box. And here we have got the items all wrapped up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is actually, if I'm not